To enable Apple Intelligence in Europe, start by ensuring you have a compatible device, such as the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, or iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you don't have one of these devices, it's not possible to use Apple Intelligence. Regardless of your location, if you do have a compatible device and are in the Europe region, update your iOS to the latest version by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. You'll need to be on iOS 18.0.1 or later. Next, change your phone's region by going to Settings, General, Language and Region, and selecting the United States. Also, make sure your preferred language is set to English, US. Finally, and most importantly, change the region of your Apple ID to the United States, as this is a crucial step that cannot be skipped. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access Apple Intelligence in Europe.